Hey everyone, so today I'm going to demonstrate how I am going to blow dry a center part from scratch. This would be as if this was a client, and I'm going to take you through all the steps as what I would do as a real hair professional. So first things first is I'm going to think products. I'm already trying to establish in my mind what am I going to need, the products and the tools in order to achieve the look that I want. You have to have the same approach if you're doing your hair yourself every morning. It's common sense, but you need the right tools. And don't be so hung up on, oh, I don't want to use products, it's bad. If you're using my stuff, it's fine. All my products are good quality, all right? Amazing quality. So first things first is I see that this hair is a bit tangled. So, all right, I need to detangle the hair and also prep it with something that's gonna help support the hairstyle from a conditioning standpoint. So I'm using my 25 spray, which has 25 hair benefits. This is like a multivitamin for your hair. You should be spraying this on every single time you wash your hair and style it. Always on clean hair. This is going to be your foundational spray that transforms your hair from either really dry and brittle and just looks awful to looking healthy. This is also great for conditioning the hair, detangling, and getting through the knots. That's another huge benefit of this, so you're not ripping your hairs out. So I'm gonna shake it up. This 25 spray, it's a thicker liquid, and I'm going to spray it on, about 4 or 5 sprays, and then I'm going to use my anti-static vent brush because I wanna be able to glide through the hair. And as you can see, yes, you're gonna feel some resistance if you have knots in your hair, but I'm combing this through to get through all the knots. And that's the first thing I'm doing, is I wanna make sure that as I'm combing this, I'm able to not have any restrictions while I'm trying to style the hair. Very, very important, very, very crucial. And as you can see, the assistance of 25 spray is really helping me get through all of those knots, right? And the brush, the anti-static vent brush really, really helps. So once I feel like I've got all the knots out, then I'm going to start to build in the second layer of styling products, which is what am I going to need in order to actually really style this in the way that I want. So I want a little bit of volume and texture. Nothing crazy, but I'm utilizing my Tidal Wave, because Tidal Wave is an amazing spray for adding volume and texture. So I'm going to spray 1, 2, 3 spritzes. Maybe, all right, one more for good luck. Tidal Wave, the reason it's such a premium product is because you don't need 14, 15 sprays like you see on TikTok, or all these TikTokers making hair products. They're sitting there spraying 15, 20 sprays. You don't need that with Tidal Wave. That's how I formulated this. Now, the next part of this is now I have the product in. I've got the foundational spray, which is 25. I have Tidal Wave. I'm gonna comb this through, and this is where I'm gonna start to set the hair in its place, meaning I want more of a center part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center parting, and then I'm going to brush this down the middle like that. So I'm going to establish the actual style that I want in the hair, so I have a good vision of what I need to do and where I want to end up. Next is I'm going to be utilizing a blow dryer. This is my ionic blow dryer right here. It's available on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. It's only available in the United States and Canada because of the voltage difference, so don't buy this in the United States and have it shipped internationally. It's not going to work out. It's going to be a disaster. It's a hazard. Don't do it. Only United States and Canada. So I'm going to use full speed, full heat, and what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to get rid of a lot of the excess moisture in the hair so that it starts to dry, and then I start to work in the shape. So from this point on, I'm going to actually do the blow dry. I will be using my vent brush, my anti-static vent brush that has a rubber handle. So it's my favorite brush of all time. The rubber handle really allows for that good grip. It's not a plastic handle, it's actually a rubber grip handle, so I have control while I'm blow drying. I am going to be using the brush to blow dry the hair in different directions. Now, because I am a hair professional, I'm able to lose this middle part if I want to brush it out of the way. And it also depends on the type of look that you want. If you want a straighter look, then that's where the vent brush comes in. If you want to have a more textured look, then I may actually end up using the diffuser and scrunching it. All right, so there's different ways you can do it. But I'm gonna go with the vent brush and blow dryer. Let's start. All right, everyone, so the blow dry is complete, and let's break down exactly what I did here so that you all can see what is going on. So we'll get nice and close right in here, and let's take a look. Now, I basically used my blow dryer and my anti-static vent brush, and you'll notice that there's no static. That's one thing that's really crucial, is that a lot of times after you blow dry your hair, it'll be staticky and it'll be all over the place. You're not gonna get that with this brush, so it's helping with the control. Now, the next thing is the 25 spray was able to allow me to blow dry it nice and smoothly. This makes the hair feel really healthy. And then also, Tidal Wave gave me that volume that I was looking for and that light texture. The hair does not feel like straw, it doesn't feel dry, it looks pretty amazing. So I did decide to choose to go with a more feathered look. And if you want to enhance the feathered look, then you use my carbon comb or wide tooth comb like this. And as you brush through this, you can see it adds some nice separation to the layers. So now we've got that flow going in right there. Let's do this on this side. You can see as I brush through this, the hair just flows right into place, and it looks really healthy, and it looks amazing, to be honest with you. So we have a middle part hairstyle. You see how I was able to maintain the control, maintain the shape, and maintain the style. Now, it's really up to you to style this how you want to style it. You can leave it very natural like this. If you want, you can use some products. You can have it more in the face like this. You can have it off the face. It really depends on you, okay? Really as the individual. The next thing you also have to pay close attention to is this has a really good haircut that I gave this mannequin. That is allowing the hair to feather back and have that flow really nicely like this. If you're getting a butcher job, crime scene haircut that you can't stand, or your barber, you know, every comment I get is, oh, my barber butchers my, well, time to go to a new person. Go to a hairstylist maybe, don't go to a barber. Go to somebody who knows how to layer hair properly, understand shapes. You may have to pay $15 or $30 more, and instead of a 15-minute haircut, maybe it's a 45-minute haircut. You know, you get what you put into it. So, you know, you have to make sure you have the right haircut. All of this is layered. All of this has the right length. The length comes down to all the way almost past the bridge of the nose. Look how it springs up. So you need to have all of these elements from the products. You know, you can't. A lot of you expect your hair to look so good, but you put no effort into it, or you have a bad haircut, or you're not using. Oh, I don't want to use products. I don't want to blow dry my hair. I've been a professional for over 30 years. I've never killed anyone from a blow dryer. No one's ever died from using a hair product that I've ever worked on, and you know, so a lot of those myths are just a bunch of scams, and they're ridiculous. So here we go. Now, one little bonus for you. I am going to say you want to style this a little bit, and you want to have, you know, some shape to it, and you want to have a little bit of, you know, light texture. You don't want the hair falling in your face. I'm going to go with my structure styler. A lot of you have been going crazy, raving about this, my newest product, structure styler, in my crafted lineup. I've never used anything like this before. This is probably my best product in my entire lineup as far as what it does. So it's not the prettiest off the bat, I'll tell you that, because it almost looks like it's cake batter because it's so hard to make this stuff. But after you get through that initial scoop, it actually smooths itself out. Then you can scoop it just like that. Make sure you always put the cap back on. Don't ever leave this open. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to just put it right in your hands like this and work it through the fingers and through here, because remember, you're styling the fingers. It works into the hands really nice, really creamy. It does have a little bit of texture to it, yes, a little bit of light grit, but you know, it gets through it once you work it into the hands. And I'm telling you, this product gives you the structure that you want. It gives you volume, it gives you light hold, and just a shape that I've never seen a product do in such a soft, malleable way that is just like, are you kidding me? And then what it does is it also helps tame the frizz a little bit. It helps just keep things in place, and it builds that structure. And this is such a unique product that if you really want something for your hair to add a little bit of shape, just so it stays back slightly like this, maybe you want to pull, you know, a couple of pieces down like that. You could do that on this side, bring a couple of pieces down just like this, and literally it stays. And not only does it stay, but it also allows you to rework it. And it's got a light sandalwood and lavender scent, which is so phenomenal. This is one of my favorite hair products. And it's really, you know, it's not a strong holding clay wax or, you know, bulletproof hold. It's a very light texture that allows you to just have tons of shape in your hair that you can rework and restructure, all right? So that's why I really like this. If you want to have something a bit more extreme, then you can style it more up and out of your face, right? If you want something where you can just pull some pieces down, there you go. Later throughout the day, I'm talking hours later, you could literally just run your hands through your hair like this, and it just reshapes itself. After I was testing this, I said, I have no idea how this product even does this without losing. Because once you run your hands through something with product, it ends up deflating and the whole style is done. But if you want something very soft and have more of a flow, or you wear your hair up off the face a bit, then this is really one of a kind product. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this. Let me know if you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful, because I know a lot of you want to see how I style hair and you like when I do hair. And if you want to purchase any of the tools I used, you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off. And I believe you get free shipping over $60 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Once again, shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.